So I've got my fan here that this was gifted to me by the seller, so I can go ahead and show you all the features, and it does have quite a few. What I loved about it right away is kind of a minimalist, futuristic look. It doesn't have the big oscillating head that you would typically find on a fan, so that way you can really put this anywhere in the room that you need to, because it's just nice and sleek. This is 36 inches tall, and when you take it out of the box, you can put this together in about 1 minute. So we've got this circular base right here, and it comes in two pieces. You're just going to snap those together and attach it to the base without any tools whatsoever. I'm going to go ahead and start showing you the back side of this. So we have two screws here, one here and here, and this allows you to do any maintenance. You can pull the screen off, go ahead and rinse it off or dust it off, and then go ahead and clean this impeller that's inside here. And we've got this little slot here on the back side that allows you to go ahead and just use that as a handle. So if you want to, you can just move it around. It doesn't weigh much at all. And then it comes with a remote control, which I like. Remote control is super easy to use. Now this does have several speeds. Let me go ahead and just show you these speeds. Press of a button. You can see here we've got 6 speeds. And then we also have 4 different modes. Everything is seen right through here. You can actually use these little buttons right here, turn it off or on, or just remote control, which is just as easy to use too. Now this does have 4 modes. You can click the M button here to go ahead and change that. We've got normal, which just runs at a constant speed, auto, natural, which I kind of like. Natural, what it does, the speed changes up and down, just one level up and down. It just kind of makes it nice and really peaceful. And of course, it also has a sleep mode here and a timer. The timer does go up to 9 hours. We also can turn off the light if that light was bothering you, say you wanted it off while you were sleeping. And we can go ahead and hit the speaker and make it silent. You can see right here it's indicated that right now it's on silent. It's in sleep mode. We got speed number 2, and then we have our mode right here that's always going to display along the side. Now this also has an oscillating feature. You can either press that button or right here on the side of the remote control. So instead of having it just say when I'm in bed at night and I'm sleeping, I like to have the air just shooting on me one direction. I don't like it oscillating. But if you want to go ahead and really circulate the air throughout the room, hit oscillate, and it's going to go ahead and just kind of spread that air throughout the room. I love that it's so easy to use, easy to put together, compact. You can just really put this in any corner of the room, really. And the remote control, go ahead and change everything from the comfort of your seat. Hope you found this review helpful.